What's going on, viewers? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best portable air conditioners in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these AC units, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video, and leave your answer in the comments section for us. Before we get started, if you have any questions about any of these products whatsoever, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below the video. And don't worry, we'll actually respond to your comments in a very timely manner. And with that said, let's get started. The first portable AC unit we're going to show you today, at our number 5 spot, is the Honeywell Evaporative Air Cooler. The next portable AC unit we've got for you guys today, at our number 4 spot, is the Frigidaire Portable Air Conditioner. Next up, in our number 3 spot, we've got the BLACK+DECKER Portable Air Conditioner. Are you enjoying our product suggestions so far? If so, go ahead and hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. Coming up at number 2, we've got an LG portable air conditioner. Last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the Honeywell Portable Air Conditioner. Alright, viewers, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which portable air conditioner you ended up liking the best. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in.